Hello everyone. Today we will explore why the modified Glasgow scoring system is considered superior in predicting severe acute pancreatitis outcomes. Since acute pancreatitis can rapidly progress to life-threatening complications, early severity assessment plays a critical role in improving patient survival and guiding treatment decisions. Acute pancreatitis clinical overview. Acute pancreatitis occurs due to premature activation of pancreatic enzymes, leading to autodigestion of the pancreas. The most common causes are gallstones and alcohol. While mild cases resolve on their own, severe pancreatitis can lead to necrosis, systemic inflammation, organ failure, and increased mortality. Why severity prediction is critical? The early phase of pancreatitis determines patient outcomes. Severe cases trigger systemic inflammatory response syndrome and multiple organ dysfunction. Identifying high-risk patients early allows for ICU care, aggressive fluid therapy, and complication monitoring, which significantly reduces mortality. Introduction to Modified Glasgow Score. The modified Glasgow score is specifically designed to assess severity in acute pancreatitis. It is calculated within the first 48 hours of admission using 8 clinical and laboratory parameters. A score of 3 or more indicates severe disease. Importantly, it can be applied to all causes of pancreatitis. Parameters explained. Pancreas mnemonic. The pancreas mnemonic helps remember the 8 parameters. Each parameter reflects a different aspect of disease severity: hypoxia, inflammation, metabolic imbalance, renal dysfunction, and tissue damage, making the score comprehensive and clinically relevant. Pathophysiological correlation. Each parameter reflects underlying pathophysiology. Cytokine release causes systemic inflammation. Hypoxia indicates lung involvement. Hypocalcemia results from fat necrosis. Elevated urea suggests dehydration and renal injury. Hyperglycemia reflects stress response, while low albumin indicates poor prognosis. Why modified Glasgow is superior? The modified Glasgow score stands out due to its simplicity and practicality. It relies on routine laboratory tests and provides reliable prediction within 48 hours. Its balance of accuracy and ease of use makes it highly suitable for both advanced hospitals and resource-limited settings. Comparison with other scoring systems. Ranson's criteria require multiple parameters and time, making them less practical. APACHE2 is highly accurate but complex and ICU-based. Modified Glasgow offers a balance. It is simpler, faster, and still clinically reliable, making it superior in routine practice. Clinical applications. In clinical settings, this score helps identify severe cases early, guides ICU admission, and supports aggressive treatment planning. It also predicts complications like necrosis and organ failure, helping clinicians improve patient outcomes. Summary and key concept. To conclude, the modified Glasgow score is a powerful yet simple tool for predicting severe acute pancreatitis. Its ability to reflect systemic involvement and provide early, reliable assessment makes it superior for guiding clinical decisions and improving patient outcomes. Thank you for watching this lecture. I hope you now clearly understand the importance of the modified Glasgow scoring system in predicting severe acute pancreatitis and guiding early clinical decisions. If you found this session helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more medical lectures.